Welcome. So today we'll be continuing our lesson on feelings in Bemba, translated to English. Kuichefya, to be humble. Lomba, papatila, or papata, to beg. So ndekupapata is I'm begging you. Mwenso, tina, or chindika. Chindika is to fear. So chindika is the reverential kind of fear. And tina as well is the reverential kind of fear. And then mwenso is the kind of fear when you're like afraid of something scary. Londolola, to explain. Vanensoni, shy. Okumfensoni, to get embarrassed. So insoni is a word that you can use for both shy and embarrassed, and it depends on the context. And it can also be used to mean ashamed. And another word that can be used for ashamed is sevana. Fear means mwenso, tina, or chindika. The fear of stuttering. Umwenso wa kubulubusa. So kubulubusa in this case is stuttering. And then fear is umwenso. I'm not afraid of dogs. Shtina imbwa. Then the fear of God is Akatina, kakwa, Lesa. And reminds me of the song Akatina by James Sakala. Yeah, you should look it up and listen to it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.